This is a test of the American National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcasting cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to always keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had to have been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone which you heard at the beginning of this message. No action is required, and remember, this is only a test. Now we resume regular programming. And we all thank you so much for participating in the National Emergency Alert System for the National Periodic Test. Thank you.